Have issues with your garage door? We've got your back. At Garage Door Repair Lab, we can solve all your repair, maintenance, and installation needs right here in Dallas. Say goodbye to noisy doors and electric gate issues. Our expert technicians are here to provide quick and professional solutions without breaking the bank. We're all about quality parts and top-notch customer service. Need help with your garage door? Call Garage Door Repair Lab today at 214-487-2648 and let us take care of your garage door needs.